Join me as I take on the challenge to boost my income 10 times in just 6 months. Can I pull it off? Imagine waking up every morning, feeling financially secure, and having the freedom to pursue your passions without worrying about making ends meet. That's what it means to boost your income significantly, and that's exactly what we're going to talk about today. Most people struggle to make ends meet, living paycheck to paycheck, and wondering how they'll ever break free from the cycle of debt and financial stress. The truth is, traditional methods of growing your income just aren't cutting it anymore. Working longer hours, asking for a raise, or taking on another job might not be enough to make a significant impact. The reality is, you need a new strategy if you want to see real results. We've all been there, feeling like we're stuck in a rut, watching our savings dwindle, and wondering how we'll ever achieve financial stability. It's frustrating, it's stressful, and it's exhausting. And let's be honest, it's not just about the money. It's about having the freedom to live the life you want, to pursue your dreams, and to enjoy the things that bring you joy. The problem is, most people don't know where to start. They feel overwhelmed, they feel stuck, and they feel like they're running out of options. But here's the thing, you don't have to feel that way. There are strategies, there are methods, and there are tools that can help you increase your income and achieve financial freedom. One of the most effective strategies is to start thinking outside the box, to look for opportunities that go beyond your traditional 9-to-5 job. This might mean freelancing, it might mean starting a side hustle, or it might mean investing in the stock market. The key is to be open-minded, to be willing to take risks, and to be committed to making it happen. Another strategy is to focus on high-income skills. Skills that are in high demand, skills that are valuable, and skills that can increase your earning potential. This might mean learning a new language. It might mean getting certified in a particular field, or it might mean developing a new expertise. The point is, you need to invest in yourself if you want to see real results. And then there's the power of online business, the ability to reach a global audience, to sell products and services, and to create a passive income stream. This might mean starting a blog, it might mean creating a YouTube channel, or it might mean building an online course. The possibilities are endless, and the potential is limitless. But here's the thing, the most impactful strategy, the one that can lead to a substantial income boost, is to focus on high-leverage activities. What are high-leverage activities? They're activities that have the potential to generate massive returns, activities that can scale quickly, and activities that can create a lasting impact. This might mean creating a product or service that solves a real problem. It might mean building a community or a tribe, or it might mean creating a movement. The key is to focus on activities that have the potential to generate massive returns, and to be willing to put in the work. By implementing these strategies, by taking action, and by being committed to making it happen, you can boost your income 10 times in just 6 months. It's not going to be easy, it's not going to be quick, and it's not going to be simple, but it is possible. So, what's the takeaway from today's video? It's this: you have the power to boost your income, to achieve financial freedom, and to live the life you want. It's time to take control, it's time to take action, and it's time to make it happen. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below about your own income-boosting experiences, and don't forget to check out my next video for more tips and strategies on how to increase your income.